Yeah. Yeah. It's Lil Nardy, man. And we just living life how it's supposed to be, you know? Just living it, man. Let's get it. We ain't even hustle when we rap. You already hustle when we snap. Gotta wear with a mic on his back. Now you know that it is in the hat. Hey, is that abstract? Or art that come on that lap? Or is it made up? Or is it coming with rap? See, I'm flyer than high. Man, my car's so fly. Yes, I'm flyer than you. But you already know we ride. Gotta see you ride. You're no suit side. Shooting a fully clip. 900 on ride. See, and I'm back and I'm nice. I see the foot in the whip. When you come on a ride, I wanna see the tip. And gangsters coming the lane. Popping and fucking with Gene. When I'm so drunk, I find a man, we come with this thing.
Can't you see the scars are kicking in?
It's kicking in.
Can't you see the scars are kicking in? Can we take it back and start again?
Start again now.
Can't you see the scars are kicking in? Can we take it back and start again?
Start again.
The scars are kicking in.
Start again.
Can we take it back and start
Hey,
again?
hey. Yes, we gonna start again. Now while the space started flying like an astronaut. Going to the moon, this is the moon jump overway. And now you suing for the case to see the cone and how you stay. Why I'm whipping, why you stay? Hey, listen to the hustle when I snap, niggas already know. When I come in this rap, nigga already know this is heated for the trump. You know what I'm saying? What they got it for the got a header for the rap game. Ain't nothing for the spot game. Hit it for sitting up phone. I ball like Steph Curry, like I'm Kobe. Niggas already know LeBron James Duncan. Let's get it.